Brush in hand, the world unfolds. Petals dance in shades of gold. A whisper soft in lilac skies. Colors bloom where your heart lies. Bloom wild, bloom free. Paint the sky with what you see. Every stroke a melody. Bloom wild, bloom free. Reds that burn like ember fire. Blues that hum with calm desire. Green vines twist and softly climb. A canvas breathing through the time. Dip the brush into the stream. Turn the day into a dream. All around, a story told in hues divine, a piece of soul in every line. A brush in my hand feels like a dream. The petals unfold in a gentle stream. Colors whisper stories only I can hear. The canvas listens soft and clear. Every stroke is a sigh.